Let's get started, you guys. Tilt this down a bit. It's a little high. Okay. Active tip. Bow, finish. Student tenets begin. Honor, courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, courage, community. And bow, your name. To me. All right, guys, so from here, what I want to do is just a quick little, easy little exercise, because I want to spend a good amount of time today focusing on the form and all everything, just reviewed, kind of like yesterday if you were in class yesterday. So, easy warm-up, and I'm actually going to let you guys choose. So, we're going to do a couple different ones. Let's see, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 50. Whoever is the closest without going over gets to choose our first exercise. All right. Alexander.
30.
Say again.
30.
30, okay. Parker.
20.
20, okay. Ezra Lion.
All right. Next we're gonna do scissors.
You go first. 30.
31.
31 and then Ezra's 25. Yeah.
25, okay. Okay.
25 and 22.
And then Mia and Anna.
47. 15.
Okay. And then last, Breon.
All right. Next one we're gonna do.
Pick a
1
number.
and 4. 1 and 4.
You mean 14?
Yeah, 14.
Okay. My number was 33. So that
I
means
was closest.
you are the closest, Lion. You get to pick up.
Yay! Yay, Bubba!
I did.
It's my turn.
All right, sir, what are we doing? You get my timer here. What are we doing? Tell us.
5 push-ups.
Push-ups. All right, 1 minute of push-ups. You guys ready? Go. 1 minute of push-ups. Let me see you do it. All right, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Very good job.
They don't have to be fast. You just got to keep going.
Okay, so remember you start at a pencil.
Got 40 seconds left, guys. 40 seconds.
Ready? 30 seconds.
36.
And go.
30 seconds. Almost done, guys. Halfway there. Halfway there.
Keep going. Keep going.
19, 18.
10 more seconds.
10 seconds.
And all right. Next one. We're gonna get down.
Time. All right. Good job, everybody. All right. So from here for the next exercise, we're going to do a little different games. I'm going to point randomly to somebody on the screen, and you will pick. Oh, I picked myself. I don't know how I did that. So let me try again. Let me pick somebody different. Alexander. What's our next one?
Jumping jacks.
Jumping jacks. Okay, 1 minute of jumping jacks. Ready? Go.
And time. Very good job. All right. And from here, let's go.
Remember, it doesn't have to be fast. You just got to keep going. Come on, Parker. Keep it up, buddy. 40 seconds.
And big circles backwards. job.
25 seconds. Keep going, Anna. Don't stop. You can stop when you stop breathing. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. That's bad. 10 seconds.
Good. And stick your hands on your hips.
And time. Got one more. This time I'm thinking of a color. If you can guess the color, you get to, it's a very specific color. It's not just yellow, like a very specific color. If you can guess the color, you'll get to pick our last one. Okay, let me think of a good one. Okay, I got it. All right, who has a guess? Let's do Anna.
Red.
Oh, it's a very specific color. So like, not just red, I'm talking like crimson or like periwinkle or, you know, like a very specific color. But it's not a red. So it's not a red. All right. Let's see. Let's do Lion or Ezra. One, you two.
Black. I think gold.
Not quite. Parker?
Blonde.
Not quite. I'll give you a clue. Some of you are wearing that color. And actually, only 2 people on the screen are wearing that color.
All right, let's do our attention station.
All right, Alexander.
Okay, let me get my timer go. Get that going.
I can't hear you. You gotta unmute yourself.
The shorts color.
It is not that color. Brown?
Set up.
Purple?
What kind of purple?
Here we go. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to go to wiggles and giggles up. Ready? And go. 5, 4,
I'll give you a clue. It's also the name of a flower.
1, and 2 cents.
Mia?
Now,
Periwinkle.
That's a blue. I want a type of flower that's purple. What's a type of flower that's purple? Parker? You don't know, you had your hand raised. Give me a clue. It starts with an L.
About it that I forgot.
Starts with an L. Let's do Mia again.
all right.
Lilac.
Okay.
That is very close.
Go ahead.
Very close. The word I was looking for is lavender. Lavender.
All right, you ready?
Lavender. All right. So since nobody gets it, that means I get to pick. Yay. So this time we are going to do Spider-Man lunges. So here's how we do those Spider-Man lunges. So our feet are together. We step out, out, forward, forward, and back, back. And you don't have to do them in that order. You can do them this way. You can go forward, side, back, together. Forward, side, back, together. Do that 5 times. Go. So the whole thing, both legs, 5 times.
Do it again.
That's a hard color to guess.
Right here.
Coincidentally, that is my father's favorite color.
Mine. Turn.
Also, some instructor's favorite
All
color.
right, let's go to the 4 listening position. All right, so everyone show me listening position number 1. Crisscross applesauce. Listening position number 1. There.
All right, guys. So if you finished that, awesome. Let's go ahead and do a really quick stretch. Like really quick. All right, arms forward. Backwards.
feet. Good, hands are on our lap.
Hugs.
And number 4, we pop like popcorn. Up to attention. Yes, sir.
Hip circles.
There you go. Alright, now let's work on our front kick. So go back to the fire and say, "Aya."
Other way.
And front kick time. Front kick. Let me see those front kick.
All right, now from here. Challenge. Hands on your back.
Both sides. Both sides.
Lean backwards as far as you can and count to 20. So go all the way back. Lean, lean, lean. Hold it for 20 seconds. And then you can lean forward.
Alright, and 2 big steps. And if you want to have some fun with those front kicks, you can do it. You don't have to. Don't do it.
Then when you're done, we lean forward. We hang like a bat.
But at home, if you want to do a jump front kick, that's some fun stuff too. Alright?
Shoulder feels funny.
Testing, just do the regular front. Okay? Now, from here, let's go to 2 big steps. Now let's work on our low blocks. Crossing the arms.
And Spider-Man stretch.
Right on.
So going side to side.
Let's do a strong
Side
low
to
block.
side.
Do a strong low block. Good, and make sure we're crossing the arms. Elbows touching, chomp, chomp, chomp like an alligator.
All right, go ahead and stand up. Stop there.
Perfect.
So real easy, quick little stretch. So again, I just kind of want to review everything,
All right, now-
get everybody through it all, help those who need it, and we'll make this kind of short and sweet.
First thing that you like to do is how to,
All right, so the first thing I wanted to review is our self-defense technique. Yeah, remember, it's a two-handed choke from behind. Someone behind you, and they grab it, and they, just getting it. So, again, one hand comes up, all the way up, arm to ear, turn into the bad guy, wrap, two low, one high. Give it a try, let's go.
My name is.
Checking everybody else. Checking everybody out. Go ahead, self-defense technique. Oh, Alexander, turn the other way, buddy. So you want to turn the same way you have your arm. So if you lift up this arm, turn that way.
Now let's go into our.
Alexander, try again. I think we still turned the wrong way. Alexander, let me see.
15 seconds. You ready? We got timer set up.
So lift up your arm. Now turn to your right. Yeah, that way. There you go.
Are you ready? 15 seconds. And
Don't grab your own arm. You pretend you grab the bad guy's arm.
Be careful where you go, Lion. I almost saw you run into him.
Hold on, Parker. I think we messed up somewhere. Let's try again.
3, 2, 1, and
So lift up the arm.
all right, here we go. You ready? We're gonna do the other side and up.
Oh, lift it up.
15 seconds.
Now keep that straight up in the air. Don't drop it until I say so. Now turn to your right.
Oh,
Keep turning.
5 seconds.
Keep turning.
There.
Right there. Now wrap around both the arms.
And
There. Now 2 punches low, palm heel high.
all right.
1, 2. Just don't hit her. That's the idea. That's the idea. Oh, Mia, you have a question?
My sister wants to know if a palm heel is like this or like
no,
this.
I don't. I already know.
So there's a couple of different ways you can do it. If you curl your fingers like this, it's mostly for looks. It's like for forms. But in real life, you may not be able to curl your fingers and you might get them stuck on like a shirt or something. So you can do it this way. That's okay too. So both. So both. All right, looks like everyone's okay. Nice. All right, good. All right, cool. Everybody stop there. Thank mom or dad or whoever was helping you out. Give them a high five. Do all that good fun stuff. Awesome. All right, moving on. Now, real quick, gonna go into some sparring drills. So from here, throat all scratchy. So I'm gonna give you guys 30 seconds on the clock. I want you to think of a 5-move combo, just 5 moves, okay? Nothing crazy, I just want 5 moves. One of them has to be a jump kick, and one of them has to be a hand technique, but the other 3 you can pick. So there must be a jumping kick and a hand technique. but the other 3 is all up to you. So think of your combination, and we're going to run through it, and I want you to do just that combination for 30 seconds. All right? So I'll give you a second to think of your combo. So there must be a jump kick, and there must be a hand technique. Yes, Lion.
What was the other thing? The other thing we had to do other than
There
the
must be
jump?
a jumping kick, and there must be a hand technique. But the other
Okay.
3 moves you can pick. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
All right, everyone got something? Give me a thumbs up if you got something.
Wait a sec. I gotta see if there's at least 5 because you said 3 more.
And from here, now let's do front kicks while walking forward. So walk in a circle, front kick. Walk in
A circle. Okay. Get this back. All right, so from here, guys, let's go ahead. Let's give it a try. 30 seconds on the clock. Your combination 5 moves with your jump kick in your hand. On your mark, get set, hands up.
And let's go into our front stance.
Dane, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up.
Our feet are on railroad tracks.
Go.
All right, feet are on
30
railroad
seconds.
tracks.
Let me see it.
We're gonna pinch our front
What can we come up with?
leg, left leg, hands are up.
Remember, sparring combination. So both hands need to be up. When one hand's doing something, the other one is here. Oh.
That way we're good on both sides.
13 seconds.
Good, same thing.
Don't just stand there, girls. Let's go. Mia Anna, come on.
Come on, Dane. Don't just stand there.
All right, now let's move into blue belt stuff. So what number do you call
Time.
it? What number
All right, now from here, let's think of a different combination. This time, you must have a spinning technique. So there has to be a spin,
3-1-3.
and you must have a back fist. I want to see a spinning technique and a back fist. But the other 3 techniques, you can choose. Trying to open up your mind to the possibilities here. So what can you do with a spin kick and a back fist? Think about it. Think about it.
We can do a spin back fist.
Not in sparring. That's one of the moves you are not allowed to do, even though that is a thing. That is a thing. But it's not a good thing for sparring because it hits people really hard, and that's not a good idea.
Awesome. Yeah, good job, buddy.
I've been hit with a spinning back fist. That's why my jaw pops. Not a good idea. All right, I hope you guys thought of something. So here we go. Spinning kick and a back fist. 30 seconds. Get set. Go.
What did you say? I think I throw something away.
All right. Spinning kick and a back fist.
I'm kicking back fist.
But if you do ever have to use call them, make sure you, what do you say? What are you supposed to say? Say, I need help. Yes, Miss Ababa, how do you say that?
And time.
No. You gotta be great about it. How do you say it?
All right.
Like, I need help.
Let's stop there.
There we go.
I'm sorry. Mr. S is making me laugh back here. All right.
All right, and then make sure that.
So go ahead and stop there, guys. Now for our next drill, let's go into our forms now. Okay. So what's going to happen is I want to go through it with you just one time because some of us may be missing parts, but I will only do it one time with you. Then the rest of the time, you guys are going to go by yourselves, and we're going to critique and check and things of that nature. All right? Sound like a plan? All right, let's do it. All right, tilt this down just to her.
All right, now let's get our back stance.
All right, so from here, 2B stance,
You're gonna take this foot, you're gonna step forward.
and step out to the side, palm heel.
You're gonna turn that one. All right, so it should
2
make the
punches.
letter L. All right, so it should make the letter L. Okay.
Square block.
All All right, now we're gonna bend both knees,
Upset punch.
and then our hands are up. This is our
Fixed
back
stance
hand.
punch.
All right, this is our back hand. Now put the other leg.
Knife hand strike. Keep in mind, your feet should still be apart, but heels together.
This leg forward that way.
Step through and punch.
Hands are up. By the way, Mrs. Bala, that you're
Now come forward. Low block.
All right.
Step and
Yeah,
punch.
yeah, yeah.
Full forward ready.
Go over our purple buff stuff. The purple. Your last
Side kick.
On your dress. You need to make your dress.
Knife hand strike.
So, mom and dad, did you work on
Step and punch.
outline class? Okay, so
Step and punch and yell. Aya!
make sure purple buffs don't.
All right, from here now we get to turn. Turn.
Do some more jumping
Double knife hand block.
and go. Jump, 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 yeah.
Step through. Spear hand.
There you go. Let's see those
Onto
there.
Turn. Double knife hand block.
Alright, now let's work on our.
Let's scoot back a little so you guys can see.
Okay, outside wrist kicks. We're gonna cross.
Two number 2 round kicks. One,
Alright, cross.
two, reach. Double knife hand block to finish. Yay! All finished. We did it. I'm just silly.
Guys, make sure we're only using the chat if we have questions or something like that, okay?
Okay. All right, so from here, guys, what's going to happen?
And from here now.
I'm going to move this stuff here. I want to take a closer look.
That's awesome. If not, that's okay. Alright, what we're gonna do, we're gonna.
So everyone, start over with your forms, and we're going to watch you a little bit more individually. Okay. Mr. Barrett, who you got your eyes on? That way we're not watching the same person.
I'll be watching Ezra in line first.
Okay. So I will get, let's see who wants me to watch them first. Dane. We'll do Dane first, and then I'll go around. All right. Begin. Everybody go.
All right. And okay. Now let's have some fun. Let's go into dance revolution. All ready? We're gonna see who's the best dancer today, Miss Lavawa or Mr. Craig.
Oh.
All right, here we go. We're ready. All right.
Good job, Ezra. Can you do it one more time for me? Ezra, come back up here, Ezra. Can I see you do it one more time? Real quick, please.
Okay. Dane, really good job, buddy. I want you to fully extend your chambers for your blocks, bud. So really reach this arm straight, this one like this. Make sense? Okay. And the rest of it looks really good, nice and solid. All right, let's see who's next.
Don't forget the knife hand there. There's a little knife hand there. Go
Let's
back.
go, Parker. Parker, let's go.
Go knife into the ribs.
All right.
Good job, Ezra. Good job. All right, Lion, your turn.
All right. Good job, class. Be ready for
Whoop, hold on, Parker. Go back to that knife hand. We're skipping parts. Now step and punch. Step and punch and yell. Oh, yeah. Now turn around and double knife hand block. The other way, to your left. Up with your left foot in the front, though. So you turn the correct direction. We just don't step our feet.
Oh, wait a second, Lion. Go back, Lion.
Switch hands, Parker.
Do that low block again. Do that low block towards the front again.
Hold on, wait. Right
Now
there.
look at
Spear hand. That way.
step towards the front and punch.
Hold on, bud.
Uh-huh. Now, what do you do now?
Parker, watch me, please.
Don't step back. Don't step back.
So we have,
There you go.
I'm gonna do it this way. Side kick, knife hand, punch, punch, right? Double knife hand block. Let's get that. spear hand. Okay, show me that.
All right, Lion. Can you go back to that psychic for me real quick?
Switch feet, Parker. It should be your right foot in the front right now. Okay.
Knife hand. All right, so now what do you do with your left foot?
Now spear hand the same way, not that way. Spear hand the same way.
All right, so
Okay, double
now,
knife hand block, spear hand, same direction.
I just couldn't order his belt.
Now, Parker, I
Good
can't
job,
see
Lion.
your spear
Go back
hand
to
because it's
that
off the
spear hand
screen.
one more time. I'm gonna fix something, okay? Go back to that spear hand.
Cardi.
All right, so now instead of turning toward, yes, there you go, Lion. Good job, buddy.
Now, real quick, I see not everybody is doing this, but a few people are. Who can tell me, real quick, everyone stop. Who can tell me when we don't know which way to turn, what is 90% of the time, which way do we always turn? Which way do we always go? Let's go, Brayon. You only have two
Right?
choices. Say again.
Why?
No.
Why?
No, not the right. So if it's not the right, it's the Mia.
Usually it's the left.
It is usually the left side. So who knows how to tell what their left from their right? That should be pretty easy. Take your hands, make the letter L. Whichever side looks most like the letter L, that's your left side. Okay? So we turn that direction. Always, always, always. Some of us are turning to the right. And I'll give you a clue, guys. There's not many forms that we have, that we do, that you'll actually go to the right side first. It's always the left. Always stepping with the left, always turning to the left. It gets a little bit different when you get into the black belt forms, but right now, everything is the left side. Okay? So something to think about, something to think about. All right, keep going. Now, Parker, I didn't see your spear hand because it was off the screen. Did you do the spear hand after the double knife hand block? Okay, I'm just making sure. Because that was the part I was like, oh, hold on.
Good job, Lion, buddy. Just make sure you two keep practicing, okay? Both you and Ezra.
Now,
Just keep
Parker, when you turn after the spear hand, when you turn, which way do you turn? Left, always left, because you were turning to the right. All right, that's it though, that's it. Okay. Alexander, I'm gonna watch you this time. No, that's right. Good, step in, yep. Perfect, all right, keep going. Nice job, Alexander. Just something to think about, okay? We wanna make sure that if we do a move, but it doesn't feel right, don't do it again, because that might be a bad thing when it comes to testing, because that's technically repeating a move. So let's say I did a punch, but it didn't feel right, so I do it again. That's adding something, okay? Just something to think about. So once you do it that first time, just move on and go to the next move, okay? Okay. All right, Mr. Barrett, who's left?
Currently, I'm going to start watching Dane, if he hasn't already been watched.
He has.
Okay.
How about you get the girls up there? And I'll
Sir?
get Brayon and we'll be done.
Sir?
All right, Brayon, start over for me, buddy. Even though I know you're good, just double check it, okay?
You can start whenever you're ready.
That's a back stance there, sir. I hope your feet aren't together. I want them to be apart just a little. Yeah. Okay, keep going. I like that. Ooh, that's a pretty side kick. Love that chamber. Beautiful. I love the chamber, the full extension. That is very nice. I like it. Now, real quick though, I have a question for you because I noticed something interesting about the way you hold your fists. And it's nothing bad. I'm just curious. Are you left-handed? Do you write with your left hand? Do you use a pencil with your left hand? Or do you know? You use that hand? Okay, so you're not left-handed. But I noticed something interesting. Did you know that in your right hand, your thumb goes like this when you do a fist, and in your left hand, it looks like this? So this is what your fists look like. What should they look like? Like that. Thumb's always on the outside, and that's a safety thing. If you hit something with your thumb on the inside, it could hurt your thumb, and then snap goes your thumb, and then ouchie. We don't want ouchie thumbs. Okay? Just something to think about, just something that, you know, as teachers, we notice weird things like that.
Make sure it looks good, but make
Dang.
sure with those round kicks, we get those round kicks up. No gnome kicking round kicks.
No.
Uppercut.
And you have to deal with James.
All right. So that's about it. Everyone's looking pretty sharp. Mr. Barrett, to get Anna and Mia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, girls. Don't be doing that. All right. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and finish up with our wall sit challenge. And I can grab the sheet here to see what time we're on. And this massive, there it is. So yesterday was a minute 12. So today we're on minute 18, it looks like. All right, minute 18. So let me set my timer here. There. All right, so everyone find a wall. Again, Brayon, I don't know if it's the best idea for you to be up against a TV, but it's all right. All right, is everyone ready? Get set. Go. Remember, knees should be flat enough to where you could put a book on your knees and it wouldn't fall off like Mia's got. Brand, are you just sitting on that table? You better not just be sitting there. The whole point is go up against a wall so you don't have anything to sit on. And you look like you're sitting on something without sitting on something. Yeah, no, you don't put your bottom on anything. It's just kind of in the air.
Make sure we're not cheating. I don't want to see anybody cheating.
Hands off your knees. That's cheating. Almost done. 20 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. All done. All right. Keep practicing, keep working hard. Remember, testing is this weekend on a Saturday. It's both going to be on Zoom and also in person. So give your best, guys, and I will see you guys all next time on the map. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.